Optimizing your design shouldn't be a post-process. With OrCAD, you can easily find and fix common route quality issues that manufacturing checks miss. Use 9 user-configurable checks to locate, identify, and adjust your design. Simply turn on the checks that you're interested in, set your preferred values, and begin routing. Traces will automatically be highlighted in your color of choice and listed in a dynamic view log indicating further improvement is possible. As you can see, this trace is flagged as a non-optimized trace. It's important to center traces so you get the most possible reference plane coverage. Using interactive hug and shove routing, enable optimize and channel and easily center your routes between any pins or vias. As you continue routing, your dynamic view log helps you identify and resolve any unoptimized traces. Here, we can see that we've caused a parallel gap less than preferred and a non-ideal pad entry. We aren't violating any of your design-specific constraints, so it's as easy as adjusting the traces to clear those checks. With optimized routing, you can design for better performance and higher yield. It's easy to improve your design quality in real time with OrCAD.